I feel like that in our groups we don't know about Narendra Modi or what.
No, no.
No, it's a very common topic, and we have to speak. Look, this is the one way only to articulate ourselves in 100%.
Yes, sir.
I feel this is the best way to express your thoughts, idea, and everything.
Yes,
I
sir.
have seen many audio clip, and today's sentences are very good. We are quite familiar with the word crabby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, without any delay, let's begin the class. So, what is our topic today, everyone?
Introduction yourself.
Introduce yourself. So, this look a very simple question to us, but it is the topmost question as per the interview. Because if you are going for a bank manager interview, you are going for a bank PO interview, or going to be a CEO of the company, like introduce yourself is of different category. You can introduce yourself in your college when you enter in the first day. Then you can give your introduction in a marriage function, in a marriage party, or to a friend. So there are different circumstances are there. So today basically we will see all the scenario. First, I would love to listen everybody with their introduction speech. So I will begin with Josna Rani first. Josna Rani, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Please go ahead. We are listening to you.
Sir, my name is Josna Rani Das. I belong to Jajpur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder brothers and one elder sister. I am pursuing graduation in Odia Honors. I have done 3-month basic computer course from Nest Institute in 2019. My hobby is reading books and listening song. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, very good, superb. Now we are moving to Priyavata Sethi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Prabhat Sethi, belongs to Kendujhar, Odisha, and I have completed my graduation previous year, and now I am looking for a job, and my hobby is listening to music, and I belongs to a middle class family. That's it, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I would love to listen Anushree Mahanti.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Anushree, please go ahead.
So good evening, sir. My name is Anushree Mahanta, belongs to Morbans, and I am a second year student in IGIT Sarang. My branch is chemical engineering, and my hobby is dancing.
Okay, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Now we'll love to listen Vaishali Patra.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Vaisalini Patra. I belongs to Jaspur Sukinda. I have completed plus two second year now. Now I am looking into a job. My hobby is reading book. That's it.
Okay, so while you are talking about your introduction and you said your hobbies are reading book, so get ready. There might be a question raised regarding your reading also. So our introductory speech leads to a next question also. Normally the interviewers are doing like this, or people are asking the significance of your name also sometime. Okay, we'll talk about it after everyone. Okay, next, Diptimai Singh.
Again, sir.
Please go ahead. Please tell us about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Dipti Singh. I belong to Kendra, Odisha. In my family, apart my parent, I have two brother, one sister. Mm, I am completed graduate.
Mm-hmm.
I have 2 year experience basic computer.
Okay.
Hobby my hobby is cooking. Uh, yeah.
Okay, so you said that you have around 2 year of experience in computer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
May I know the full form of computer? Can you tell me the full form of computer?
Mm,
You know or you don't know?
mm,
If you know, then say yes. If you don't know, then say sorry. Nothing to worry.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, we can say computer means what? Common operating machine, particularly used for trading, education, and research. You got it?
Yes.
कॉमन ऑपरेटिंग मशीन पार्टिकुलरली यूज्ड ज्यादा किसके लिए यूज होता है ट्रेडिंग एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च ट्रेडिंग मतलब बिजनेस नो ओके वेरी फाइन थैंक यू दीप्तिमयी एंड वन मोर रिक्वेस्ट टू यू व्हाइल यू
Sir,
वर who is this
sir, प्रियव्रत सर.
yes Priyavata tell me
सर इस दीप्ति भाई सर जो कहले केउंझर तांग घर से केउंझर कोड सर.
Diptimai which locality
ଆମର ବାଉଁଶ କୁହନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ପାଟନା ବ୍ଲକ
ଆମ ଘରେ କେଉଁଝର ସାର୍ 4 ତାରିଖରୁ ସଟଡାଉନ ହେଲାଣି 26 ତାରିଖ ସାର୍ ଘରେ ବସି ପାଗଳ ଲାଗିଲାଣି କହିଲେ ଆମର ଏଠି ଏକା ବନ୍ଦ ନା ସବୁଆଡେ ବନ୍ଦ ଅଛି.
nothing to worry we are here to help you we are not entertaining you through class
ସାର୍
have you not enjoyed the alcoholic discussion in the day before class
that is only our in class evening.
definitely this is the right time look anyone now everybody is survived now everyone is survived so the thing is that we are getting now ample time ample opportunity to what improve our skill whether it is english or any other thing so instead of being losing hope we should use our time in a particular way we should use this time we should give the value to the time because time is precious
Yes sir.
I too sitting at my village from last 4 months. I don't like to stay here, but I have to do. I have to stay,
Yes sir.
right? So have a ray of hope in your mind. Think the thing will turn into good thing very soon. We are again going to get the full freedom to travel anywhere.
It's 2021.
No problem. We will celebrate directly the new year. What is the problem?
Yes sir.
Okay. Don't worry about the lockdown and all this. Just enjoy your time. Are you not happy with your parents?
नहीं सर हैप्पी की बात नहीं है लॉकडाउन था 4 तारीख से शटडाउन कर दिया है 4 तारीख से
Look,
गाड़ी
because
बैठे.
of lockdown, I thanks to God, because of lockdown, I am getting some time to spend with my parents.
सर 170 दिन हो गया है घर पे बैठा हूँ कितना बात करूँ.
बात करने के लिए कौन बोल रहा है? Do some other job also. Help your mother, help your father in their job.
सर दिन में तो कुक में ही करता हूँ और कोई काम ही
That's
नहीं
very good.
है.
That way, okay. Tomorrow class. Tomorrow class what? Free hour talk.
Yes sir.
संडे का क्लास है कल फ्री आवर टॉक जो जितना बोलना चाहेगा कल पूरा 100% फ्रीडम है 5 to 6 ओके
सिर्फ 1 घंटा की तो क्लास है मैं तो बोलना शुरू करूंगा तो 3 घंटा निकल जाएगा.
चलो ठीक है कल आपको ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी देंगे ठीक है बट तुमको इंग्लिश में बोलना है नॉट इन हिंदी
अच्छा सर लिख के रखूंगा.
ओके टेक केयर ओके लेट्स मूव टू द अनदर पर्सन झुनुरानी दास प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट प्लीज Junurani Das.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. It's you.
My name is Junurani Das. I belongs to a middle class family, Jaspur. In my family, apart from parents, I have two elder brothers and one small sister. I completed Bachelor in Education in 2019 from Siddharth College under Venkateswara University, Tirupati. I cleared OTT entrance also. Now I am preparing for any entrance. I have done 6 months basic computer course from Bagmi Computer Institute in 2014. I have 4 months experience in teaching. My hobbies are reading like storybook and cooking. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Next one. Jyoti Sagar Jena.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti Sagar, please tell us about yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, it's evening.
I am from Marsaghai, Kendrapada.
Mm-hmm.
My family comprises of my father, mother, and my elder sister. My father is a clerk, and my mother is a nurse. I have completed my 10th from Marsaghai Government High School, Marsaghai, and my 12th from Marsaghai Junior College, Marsaghai. My hobbies are gardening. My future goal is become a master mariner.
Mm-hmm. Okay, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Now we are moving to Kranti Kumari. Kranti.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Kranti. I am originally from Kendrapada, but I have been living in Bhubaneswar since 2017. In my family, apart from my parents and my grandmother, I have a younger sister. Now I am pursuing my graduation. I spend a lot of time by reading because it keeps me fit, and also I like cooking and traveling. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Next, Puspa Priyadarshini.
Hi everyone, good evening to all. My name is Puspa Priyadarshini Behera. My nickname is Ranu. I am from Odisha at Keonjhar district. Currently staying in Bangalore with my husband. And in my family, there are 4 members. My younger sister got married, and my father is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. Then I have completed my MBA. Currently, I am looking for a job. My hobby is singing song or listening some short stories. I like to do exercise, and my favorite and I mostly like vegetables and fruits, and I prefer to eat chocolates. I have actually uh, uh, I found I am poor in English, so I joined Vidyasagar spoken English classes, which helped me a lot of to improvement my communication skills. Hopefully, I will learn more in upcoming classes. The kind of group discussion is helping me a lot of to learn different concept and different knowledge. And one more thing that I suggest people to help poor poor people, and also they should take care of nature, and we should also reducing use to plastic and plantation of trees and other social causes. And that's end, and I will conclude some adding one more sentence. Nowadays, because of coronavirus pandemic, don't go outside, use mask or stay home, stay safe. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Next, Rajasri Barik. Now it's your turn, Rajasri.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Rashri Barik. Daughter of Prabhat Kumar Barik and Premlata Barik, belongs to a middle class family from Khodda district. I have completed my plus 2 in PN Junior College, Khodda. Now I am continuing my graduation in economics honors. I am prepared for civil service exam and I want to be a social worker. My hobbies are reading novel and listening song. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Now I would love to invite the another participant from Baleshwar, Radha Krishna Pani.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Please tell us about yourself.
My name is Radhakrishna Pani. I am from Baleshwar. I am continued job at HDFC Bank as a banker. I like to speak English, but I don't do it. So I will join the class.
Okay, fine. Okay, next, Samyaranjan Mishra, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir.
Oh, good evening, Samyaranjan. You late for it around 10-20 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are comfortable now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Samyaranjan, please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Soumyaranjan Mishra. My father name is Surya Narayan Mishra. I am from Bhubaneswar. My hobby is to play cricket. And I want to talk in English. I cannot say English better.
Who said that you are not speaking well? You are speaking very well. Okay, anyhow, thank you, Samyaranjan, for your speech. Okay, now we'll move to one more participant, Supriya Majhi.
Yes, sir.
Please speak a little louder, Supriya. Your voice is coming very rarely.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Supriya Majhi. I am pursuing my graduation in Biju Patnaik College of Science and Technology. Dancing and singing are included in my hobbies, and it helps me to keep control within myself. I taken admission in Vidyasagar classes to enhance my confidence and communication skill in English. That's all from my side, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Is anyone left? I think Krishna Subhasis.
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead. Please tell us your introduction.
Yes. My name is Krishna Subhasis Pradhan, and now I am pursuing my BTech. I am from Kotak. I have done a project aluminum and lithium, and I like to travel and eating out at new place. That's it, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Anyone left? If anyone left, please tell me your name. I hope everyone has done the introduction, no? Okay, now fine. Let's see. Okay, is it audible now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the common question during an interview. So in an interview, the first question comes what? Tell me about yourself. So this is a very popular question that has left most people speechless and confused. As you see the topmost interview is what? The IS and OS. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So it does not specify what you should say, and it is very open. For example, if you are not well prepared, you might end up saying so much that is not necessary. Sometimes the interviewers are seeking for the right answer and meaningful answer. They don't have any interest towards your family, what's the father doing, mother doing, and do you have your siblings or not. They are quite what? They are quite result oriented and pinpoint people. So there are also people who do not know how to limit their words. It is not like that introduction means you will tell the whole Mahabharata of our life. So you should use this question as an opportunity to highlight the things that will play to your advantage in relation to the job, not any other thing. And highlighting your skill, your strength, things that you have accomplished, as well as what you are knowledgeable about. Because the interviewer is only going to see and judge your knowledge. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone have a clear direction when responding to this question. Of course, you need to give a brief introduction on yourself and your qualification. One more thing, what do you expect to gain from this position or company? There are so many questions arises, or they are asking what are your strength and weakness, or where do you want to be in 5 years from now. So there are 1,000 questions come. So for those questions, we have to answer them very clearly. I'm saying about means what? You need to clarify. You need to clarify what other things you will speak. Like up to now, I have seen many of your answer. You have mentioned your family background, your educational qualification, and the history of your work experience or your qualification, and your irrelevant hobbies, and what practices you are doing. So a lot of things are there. Now, what are the things we have to take care? So we have to do one thing. Firstly, don't wish them twice. You would obviously wish the panel while entering the room. Okay, there are some etiquettes and manners are there that we have to follow. So when you are speaking about your academic, you must speak about your achievement, because this is the primary criteria for why you are in the interview, but elaborate on it only if you are good, or give them a brief account of the extracurricular activity you have done at your school or college, and make sure you give the right mix of everything. And one thing, ensure that you are mentoring those activities that are directly relevant to the job role you are interviewing for. So if you are going to talk some other things, do you think it is going to helpful to you? No. So the number one point, so what is that? Be yourself first of all. The way you are, you have to behave the same. It is not like that you have to behave something else. That is not going to work out. The way you are, you have to present yourself naturally to the people. And one more thing, you have to cultivate a pleasant and sincere personality. It should not be look hurry bhari kind of category. Do you know the word hurry bhari? हरी भरी का यहाँ पे मतलब है हड़बड़ी में कोई भी आंसर देने का जरूरत नहीं है. So that you could honestly be yourself first of all, And one more thing, don't be late in an interview, because reaching the venue of a interview and find out to get there, and if you are driving where you are might park your car, give yourself 30 minutes at least for the time. And one more thing, most of the people, they have a question, sir, what about the costume or dressing, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What to wear or what to not, what to wear or what to not, there is a big question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's why you have to dress appropriately and don't underdress a notch better than expected. However, or unless don't know, you are interviewing for a spokesperson or as a spokesperson or a actor. Like what is happened? So here, what profession you are belongs to, you have the wearing must be of that type. And one more thing, if you found okay, one more thing is that while you are giving the answer, uh, you should be confident. First of all, I have seen many of the student, while they are giving their introduction, they are looking here and there. So this is not going to work out. You have to stick with the point. And one more thing, there is a problem with boys and girls. For example, if a girl is taking the interview and you are a boy, you are a young boy, assume that you no need to maintain the eyesight. You no need to maintain the eye contact for a constant. You better look a down or a little up. Or if there are three people are sitting in the interview panel, it is not like that you have to see and focus only one person. You have to respond to the all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me tell you one of the way how to introduce. For example, you can say, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. आप लोगों में से ये फ्रेज को कोई भी यूज नहीं किया?
No, sir.
Any one of you, do you use this phrase? It's
No,
my
sir.
pleasure to introduce, or I would love to introduce myself. No?
No, sir.
तो हमको क्या करना है, इस तरह का कुछ ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेजेस सजा के रखना है जिसको कि हम लोग इंटरव्यू में बोलना है. लिसन वन थिंग, assume that if you are really the employee, if you are really the manager of a company, and every day more than 100 people comes for the interview. So if you are going to be in the manager position, and if everyone is talking the same way, do you think you are really going to feel good? No.
No.
So that's why we have to decorate our speech also. Let me tell you, those who are speaking on public platform. Okay, can you tell me anyone what are the public platform do we have now? Everyone, please tell me answer. What are the public platform do we have to speak nowadays?
Sir, once more.
आमो पाखरे को पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छी जो थरे कि आमे कहि परिबा बा निजको आमे प्रूफ करि परिबा. कौन पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छी आमो पाखरे?
In the stage show.
Okay, one is stage show. Okay, next one.
Social media, sir.
Which one?
YouTube.
Okay, YouTube is the way you can go live on it. Okay. Okay, if you are attending any seminar, then
Yes, sir.
okay, how many of you see the show like Joe's Talk and TED Talk? In YouTube, you are getting two channel, TED Talk, and one is what? Joe's Talk. So in these two channel, a lots of people come every day and they recorded their voice. And you would love definitely each and every show. Why? What is the reason? Because they are telling their story or their experience or anything with good with what with how what they do, they make it interesting. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can also make your introduction interesting. So if it's look interesting, then you are going to listen. For example, while you are watching a new story or a new movie, what happened? The beginning 10 minutes, when you watch, then you decide whether you should continue or not.
Yes, sir.
So if it is the beginning, if you don't like it, do you think are you continuing the movie for 2 hours?
No,
No, sir.
No, never. That's why
No, sir.
before giving interview also, we have to prepare ourselves the best and we have to choose the best answer for it. Okay, let me tell you the answer now here. Okay, so it's my pleasure to introduce myself. For example, I am Ram from Delhi. Currently, I am pursuing my final year electronics and communication engineering from Mary College of Engineering and Technology with an aggregate of 79%. I completed my plus 2 from government co-education senior secondary school also. I have done my schooling from the same school. My father is a government employee and my mother is a housewife. My strengths are my attitude, that I like to take challenges, that I can do it. Self-motivated person, self-discipline. I am a good team player as well as has a good ability to lead the team. I can adapt to any kind of environment. I am also a good listener and a quick learner. अच्छा, तो ये पॉइंट को हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एवरीवन प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड. आप लोगों का सबका ऑडियो ऑन करो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
राइट, तो क्या करेंगे, ये पॉइंट जोड़ सकते हैं हम लोग. आई कैन एडॉप्ट टू एनी काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, मतलब हर कोई परिस्थिति में मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. आई एम ए गुड लिसनर एंड क्विक लर्नर. गुड लिसनर एंड क्विक लर्नर. अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट टू से अबाउट द वीकनेस. वीकनेस में हम लोग पूरा सच बोल देंगे क्या? नहीं ना, वीकनेस को भी ऐसे दिखाना है जैसे वो हमारा क्या हो, स्ट्रेंथ हो. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, any.
Sir,
Voice not.
Is it audible?
No, sir.
Just a second.
Voice is breaking.
Just a second, everyone. I'm changing the place for better audibility. Okay, now is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine. You see the network problem. Okay, now we can say my weakness is I cannot tolerate any what leniency, any leniency in work. LENIENCY, leniency मतलब काम में ठकना. क्या जिसको काम दिया होगा वो नहीं कर रहा. Is it okay?
No,
Second.
No age.
No, sir. Okay. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, everyone. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो ए जगह कौन लिनियंसी माने होउची जे गोटे काम को ठकिबा बा से काम को न करी कि लेट करैबा, बस सेथरे किछि क्वालिटी मेंटेन न करिबा.
Sir, spelling leniency.
LENIENCY. Let's say leniency or delay in my work. Okay, next, my short-term goal is I want such a platform where I can grow my career along with the organization growth, like yours and mine. And my long-term goal is I want to be one of the reason for the success of the organization, and I want to see your organization as a benchmark to other organizations. Now what happened? Now you are also praising the company or not, or the organization or not?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One doubt. What is short-term and long-term goal?
Short-term goal means which are going on in your mind and you have prepared for a short project.
Okay, sir.
Long-term goal means all about your dreams, all about your life.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in some private companies, they always ask in interview that what is your expected salary? What should we say that sound good?
This is a very good question. Let me tell you. Okay, when the salary part come, when it's become important, if you have experience, when you have experience, you can proudly say that, sir, per annum I need this much.
Yes, sir.
So when you can speak about your salary confidently, when if you are confident about the salary,
When I have some experience about the job.
even though if you don't have any experience, but you have expectation. For example, if you are a graduate, at least you deserve a 10,000 of salary or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is not like, can you say I want 50,000 of salary? No, it is not possible, no.
Yes, sir.
So it's depend upon your career, it's depend upon your qualification and your quality.
Sir, what should we say that sound good to interviewer like HR or other members?
Definitely, you can say, sir, as the best, I'm looking for the best in the industry.
Okay, sir.
इंडस्ट्री में जिसको जैसा पैसा दिया जा रहा है सबको उसी के हिसाब से मेरे को चाहिए. मतलब इसका मतलब है मार्केट में सर जो पैसा चल रहा है वो दीजिए मेरे को. The first priority of what? Gathering experience. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In a software company I have seen in Bangalore, those who have completed their BCA degree, bachelor degree or master degree, they are getting a salary of 20,000 also as a fresher. So they have to do because they have they don't have any alternative.
Sir, I did it in 12,000 in Bhubaneswar.
That's great. But after having some time, after having some experience, do you think are you going to willing to work with the same 12,000?
No, sir. But
No.
I have no experience in 1 year. Some certain months, 8 months.
Fine. You can utilize that. You can tell them 1 year, no problem.
Yes, sir.
A little bit lie is also good in an interview. It is not like you have to be the like the person who is telling only truth.
Yes, sir.
The most important thing, everyone. The most important thing, everyone, in the interview is that the best you present yourself, the best you get in the return. Yes or no, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If your presentation is good, if it is high class, if it is quite touchy and interesting and looks original and genuine, then you will deserve the best salary in the best on the company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Now, I'm doing one thing. Again, I'm giving you 5 minutes to you, everybody. Okay? Now, I'm giving you again 5 minutes to you, everyone. Please prepare your final speech. Please prepare your final introduction. Or shall I tell anyone more interview answer?
Please tell again.
Okay, I'm telling one more answer to you. Okay, for example, hello, good morning. My name is Tushar Agrawal. I come from the Jalandhar. Acha, I come from the city of Uttar Pradesh, which is Sagar. My school education from Vivekananda Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, Hindi medium, and currently I am pursuing BT from NIET. I have one elder sister. She is doing MSc
सर
from
ठीक से
the
शुभुनी सर
Vaishalian.
Sir, ଶୁଭୁନି।
सर शुभुनी सर
ଆଚ୍ଛା କିଛି ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି ଆଜି କାଲି କ୍ଲାସ ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ସୁବିଥିଲା ପରଦିନ କ୍ଲାସ ଆଚ୍ଛା let me change the place once again. Is it audible now everyone?
Sir.
ଏବେ ଶୁଣା ଯାଉଛି?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I have one elder sister. She is doing MSc from Ratnakar College, and let me talk about two most important person in my life, which is my parents. And my mother always motivates me to achieve my goal. And my father is a government contractor. I always think that I have the best parent in the world. Now, let me tell you about my hobbies and skill. I'm very big fan of cricket, and my favorite cricketer is Rohit Sharma. Every time when India match comes, I just sit in front of and not stand till India completed his batting. As you know that I'm doing BTech, so I need to go in technical skill and programming skill. Currently, I am working on Java programming language. This is the brief introduction of myself, and I would like to thank all the guys who give me a chance to speak. Okay,
Hello.
now everyone do one thing. Now I'm giving you, I do one thing.
ଶୁଭୁନି
I will. ଏବେ ଶୁଭୁନି କି?
Yes, sir. ଶୁଭିଲା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା କିଛି ପିଲାଙ୍କର ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଯଦି କମ ଥିବ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭାଯିବନି so everyone must be there around the network. ଆଚ୍ଛା now let's do one thing. Again I am giving you more 5 minutes to everyone. I will again once again ask your introduction and I will see what are the changes you are doing after it. Okay, take 5 minutes everyone. After 5 minutes, I will ask once again the same question. I hope you are going to ready with the best answer. Okay. Hello everyone. The time is up. Now let's see. What are the improvisation you have done for your introduction? Okay, let's begin with Puspa Priyadarshini.
Yes, sir. Hi, everyone. Good evening to all. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Puspa Priyadarshini Behra. I am from Odisha, but currently staying in Bangalore with my husband. In my family, there are 4 members. My younger sister got married, and my father is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. Um, my hobby is singing song and listening some short stories. I like to do exercise and mostly like vegetables and fruits. And my weakness is I believe people easily. Uh, I have completed my MBA and currently I am searching for a job. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. A little improvisation is there. Let's see. Anushri Mohanty.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Anusri Mohanty. And I am come from Moirbanj. I passed my 10th from SSBM CDS Sector 9 Kotak. I passed 12th from SGI Junior Science College, Bhubaneswar. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I have an elder brother and I am a classical dancer. So my hobbies is dancing and I mostly like non-veg and my strength is my dad and my weakness is mm, and my weakness is simply believe in every people. Mm, and I would like to thanks all the guys who give me a chance. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you, Anusri. Now let's change the dilemma of interview session. Now we are going to give introduction in a informal way. Assume that now you are not giving interview. You are talking with a person. You are telling about yourself normally or casually. Let's see how you are talking about yourself. So let's begin with Dipti Mai Singh.
Good evening, sir. I am Dipti Singh.
A little louder, please, Dipti Mai. Your voice is very low here.
Good evening, sir. I am Dipti Singh, belong to Kemjhar. I look into job. I strength is I am hardworking, self-motivated. I mostly like vegetable. I use
Okay. Okay, Dipti Mai Singh, thank you. Okay. Okay, I want to advise all the students while we are giving interview, you must feel like a warrior and our voice must be a little loud because we are giving interview in a mobile phone itself. So we have to be a little louder so that it should be audible to everyone. Okay, and we must bring full confidence while talking with others people. Next one, Priyavata Sethi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Priyavata Sethi. I come from Kendujhar, Odisha, and I have completed my graduation in BCA last year. And now I am pursuing a competitive coaching. And my father is a SBI manager, and my mother is a housewife, and my parents always gives me hope to do something better in my life. And my hobby is listening to music so that self I can chill out in any time. And my strength is I am very hardworking and dedicated to work. And my weakness is I had incomplete works. And thanks to sir to give me a chance to introduce myself in front of you. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. A little improvisation is there. Okay, now we'll moving to Julie Rani Das.
Good evening, sir. Thanks for giving me a chance. My name is Junurani Das. I belongs to a middle class family, Jadpur. Now I am staying in Bangalore with my brothers and sister. I completed a bachelor in education in 2019 from Siddharth College under Venkateswara University, Tirupati. I cleared OTT entrance also. Now I am preparing for any entrance. I have done 6-month basic computers course from Bagmi Computer Institute in Jadpur.
Junurani, listen one thing. You have to still changes. Now the same points are repeated here again. I mean to say that we have to improvise that speech, okay?
Yes, sir.
We can add something more. Tonight you have to think what to speak or what to not. You can share it to my WhatsApp also. Why I'm giving the next chance to you, Min? So you have to give me a different introduction, not the same one. Okay? So you will try next time. Okay, thank you. Next,
Sir.
Jyotsna Rani Das.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I quit the class? I have some work home.
You can go. You can go, no problem. Next one, Jyotsna Rani Das.
Sir, she is not present here because he is suffering fever.
Who is this? Oh, Jyotsna Rani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now we'll move to one more, Jyoti Sagar.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti Sagar, is it
Good
audible to
afternoon,
you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Good
good
evening, sir.
evening. Tell us your improvised introduction.
I'm pleasure to give my introduction. My name is Jyoti Sagar Jana. I am from Marsaghai, Kendrapada. My family comprises of my father, mother, and elder sister. My mother is
No. Listen.
and my father is
Sir, listen, Jyoti Sagar. Sorry to interrupt you. You are again repeating the point what you have told earlier. This is not going to work. I want the
My name is
improvised
Jyoti Sagar.
version. Okay, after the
class, I am from
listen everyone, Jyoti Sagar, you too. After the class, I will give you thousands way to introduce yourself. Is it clear, everyone? So you have to choose the best way. The things, his thing you are going to love, you can use those phrases and all this. Okay, let me go for one more participant. Let me see what improvisation you guys are doing. Okay, let's see Kranti Kumari. Kranti.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Kranti from Kendrapada, but now I am staying in Bhubaneswar. In my family, I have my parents and my grandmother. We are 2 sisters, including me. And my father is a farmer in profession, and always he teaches me to work hard for achieving my goal. I have done my plus 2 at Kendrapada Autonomous College, having 75% mark in science stream. Now I am pursuing my graduation at BJP College, Bhubaneswar. I spend a lot of time by studying, cooking, and traveling. My strength is that I am a hard worker and my ability to deal with people and discipline. And my weakness is I am soft-hearted. That's all about my introduction. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Next, Prince Patra. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Prince, you there?
Yes, sir. I am here.
Okay, you got a good name. Okay, so give me an answer of that type.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all of you. My name is Prince Patra. I come from Kendujhar, Odisha. I have completed my plus 2 in ODM plus 2 Science College. Now I am doing BTech course in Trident Academy of Technology. Then I am doing SSC Railway course in Vidyasagar classes. And my favorite cricket player is MS Dhoni. And I always watching cricket game in my television and mobile. My hobby is gymming. My weakness is I am very short temper.
Okay.
Yes.
So that much, Prince, or anything left?
Yes, sir. Much.
Do you feel confident with this speech?
No,
Do you satisfy with your answer?
No, sir.
Or do you think that something need to be added into it?
Okay.
Okay, still improvisation is needed here. No problem. We will sort out the problem soon. Let's move to one more guy, Rajendra Kumar Sahu. Rajendra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll love to listen your introduction, Rajendra. As you join later, I think. Please tell us tell me your about yourself.
Good evening, sir, and to all. My name is Rajendra Kumar Sahu, and I belongs to Kendujhar, Odisha. I have graduated from Anandapur College, and I have completed my plus 2 in Dreams plus 2 Science College. I want to tell about the precious gift which is gifted by God to me is my parents. My father's name is Pranabandhu Sahu and my mother's name is Sukanti Sahu. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. And my hobby is listening music and singing.
Okay. Okay, is it over, Rajendra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, Soumya Ranjan Mishra.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, do you have any improvisation in your introduction? Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So my name is Suryaranjan Mishra. Sir, I am from Gaurashankar Residential English Medium School. So my favorite subject is mathematics. I am mathematics. I am going to enter the plus 2 first year in in Stuart School, Saint Joseph High School. I am Saint Joseph. I am respected my parents very much. My goal is to study this subject in future to become a respected professional in one of the field. I can say that I am responsible and hardworking in my student. Moreover,
in your job,
yes, sir, in my job. Sir, moreover, sir, being a person, I have many friends. Like I like to communicate with people.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, my friend says that I am very funny, and I meet new people who are happy to meet me in my new college.
Okay,
I
great.
feel extremely comfortable with them.
Mm-hmm.
I I believe that friendship is one of the most important value in human life. And thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Okay, a little bit changes are there grammatically, but that's not the point. Here the confidence matter.
Thank you,
A
sir.
little bit grammatical problems are there. That's not a big problem that we can solve it in a while.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now last one, I will have to invite again Radhakrishna Pani.
Hello.
Yes, Radhakrishna,
Good evening,
please
sir.
tell us about yourself.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Myself
Yes, good
Radhakrishna
evening.
Pani.
Please tell me.
Myself Radhakrishna Pani. I am from Baleshwar and I am 25-year-old. There are one family member in my family. I live alone in my
Mm-hmm.
job location. I work as a banker in HDFC Bank.
Okay.
I also like to spend time
Mm-hmm.
speaking. I am interested to some do new things.
Okay. Okay, and thank you, Radhakrishna. And thanks for your speech and your introduction. Let's do one thing. We are reaching the time. We have to stop the class here as our time is over. I will do one thing, everyone, today. I will share the sufficient data in the WhatsApp group itself to find your best answer. Okay? Fine. So we have to stop the class here. We have to stop the class here. I'll meet you everyone with a new discussion by tomorrow 5 o'clock, which is a free hour talk where we can discuss about anything in English. So we have to stop the class over here. So thank you so much everyone for
Thank
today's
you.
participation.
Thank you, sir.